Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then press the notification bell icon for more video. You'll be updated. The term paleo diet is synonymous with the caveman diet or Paleolithic diet. From the terms, it is clear that the paleo diet is primarily the diet that the Paleolithic human used to consume in the past. It is often touted as the healthiest diet since it discourages the use or consumption of processed foods in addition to the new foods that people started eating after the Neolithic man. The Paleolithic man's diet was basically made up of meat, fruits, and roots. As the saying goes, if a caveman didn't eat, you should not eat it too. During the Paleolithic man period, people were hunters and gatherers. The concept of farming had not been developed yet. As such, people hunted in the forests for meat while also gathering nuts, fruits and roots. The Paleolithic man was viewed as being stronger, taller and muscular compared to the present-day man. Health experts argue that the change in diet as man developed due to agriculture and industrialization led to the consumption of processed food instead of the original caveman diet. As a result, the present man is often easily afflicted with ailments in addition to being weak. This can be attributed to the fact that the human body did not adapt fully to digesting the foods and grains we currently eat. The diet is seen as the answer to the weight problem befalling the United States of America. Today, approximately 60% of the global population is overweight while 33% are viewed as being obese. Further, the change in diet has led to a large number of people globally suffering from diseases such as diabetes and cancer. It is vital to note that these statistics are continuing to get worse day by day. This is a clear indication that the present-day diet is wrong and harmful to people. Thus, there is a need to revert back to the paleo caveman diet. The diet excludes many products that make up today's sugar such as salt, dairy products, processed foods, grains, vegetable oils and sugar. The exclusion of these three products from an individual's diet has a significant impact in reducing the probability of contracting lifestyle diseases. So, what makes the paleo diet? The paleo diet is made up of fruits, vegetables, lean meats, nuts, seeds and roots, seafood and healthy fats. Healthy fats can be obtained from seeds, nuts, avocado, and fish oil. If adopted, the diet is beneficial to people. Some of the advantages of embracing a paleo diet include, it reduces the probability of diabetes by stabilizing the blood sugar levels, enables an individual to shed off excess or stored fat, and leads to a reduction in allergies. Also, a paleo diet helps to improve a person's sleep patterns. These benefits illustrate the significance for the adoption of a paleo diet. Paleo diet's advice to avoid eating processed foods and sugars is supported by modern studies which have found a link between processed food and sugars, and weight gain or lifestyle diseases. In conclusion, a paleo diet has a positive impact on the life of people. Don't forget to subscribe.